Welcome to the user guide video of manual backtester page on the TradingBotLab. So here on my screen you can see the strategy backtester, why this page is important and what functions are available on this page. So first of all, when we are analyzing any indicator on the trading view and we need to track a record of all that trades. For example, on the gold, I go 1 month back. I want to test an RSI or maybe a super trend indicator on the trading view chart. So how this page can make your life easy? So you simply need to go here on the TradingBotLab and under the tools you will select manual backtester page and it will open something like that. From here you will select new backtest and here I will select XAU. You can set any name of your strategy. For example, I set gold uh, super trend. Okay, super trend. Okay, so from here I will select my currency USD and the initial deposit I want to set it to $100 only and create workspace. And once it created, you need to click on it and it will open the magic hidden place of this section. For example, you are on the trading view chart and you find a buy trade and that buy trade is a winning trade. Okay, that's it. You select a buy, you select win. If that buy trade is a losing trade, you will select buy loss. Then you find a sell trade, but it's a win, its sell is a loss. And by this way you can change these sections again and again based on every trade. And here below you can set the risk management, profit and loss in percentage, profit and loss in dollars, and profit and loss in pips. Doesn't matter in which form you are testing your strategy, you have all these three major options. So for example, I will go with the profit and loss in percentage. So risk percent I am taking is 1% and the reward risk to reward ratio I am using is 1.5, for example 1.5. Okay, so I will remove this 0 from here and the estimated profit is because my balance is 100. So the estimated profit and loss for the sell loss it will add -1, and if I win it will add 1.5 because the reward multiplier is 1.5. So first of all, for example, I got a buy trade, it's a winning trade and the risk was 1, so I will add a trade here. So it will add a trade here immediately. And here again I got a sell trade and it's a winning trade. I will get here, it will add this one. So now it will be increasing this value because my balance is increasing and it is compounding, like as the balance is growing. Again, so by this way you can keep testing on the trading view chart or maybe MT5 chart anywhere or maybe Binance chart. Doesn't matter where you are testing your strategy, you can simply put your data here with simple clicks. Okay, and after that you can see all the analytics and charts. Here you will see the profit and loss, the net profit, the win ratio, everything here. And the one most important thing is here when you are adding these trades you can select the day by day. For example, I am in May 2026 and for example you want to start testing on January 2026 and it's a 1st January, and for 1st January you find a trade buy win, sell win, and these are two trades you find for the 1st January. And then for the 2nd January you get a buy losing trade and sell winning trade and another, and then again a buy winning trade. And then for the 3rd January of 2026 you find a sell win and then a sell loss, a sell loss, a sell loss. And then for the 4th of January. By this way you can keep changing these dates by months and years. And also if you want to analyze in more depth you can change the time of every trade. For from here you can select minutes and from here you can select the hour of the opening of that trade. Okay, here in the analytics chart you can see the drawdown history at what time it gave us a drawdown and then the recovery and how the equity curve is going up. Here below you can see profit distribution per trade. So as there are more and more number of trades, you will see this graph will be like narrow and you will see very clear picture, clear analysis of this page. Best part is you can share this strategy with your friends to show how much it made profit or loss, something like that. So for example, I want to share this strategy. I will simply click on here. The link is copied, and when someone open that link, this link is the only for view for this strategy. So when someone goes to this link, it will open something like that. There is no place to add or edit anything. So by this way you can show the strategy, the performance of your strategy by this way to any of your friend or maybe on your social media profiles or something like that. Okay, and from here you can go back and you can create an other back test, and here I will select like AURUSD M5 on like $500 account, and it's $500 account, and oh my god, I just put 0 here, and it's in USD or any other currency. You can select create workspace, and here that's it. When you click on it, it will be blank and you will start adding your trades in this section. I hope you understand exactly how to use the manual backtester on the TradingBotLab step by step. If still you have any issue, you can let me know in the comment section, or you can create a support ticket for our team to get personalized help. For now, that's it, and see you soon in this video. Goodbye.